Hello, this is Daniel Stark with DJS Tech Consulting. This is a quick walkthrough and how-to for setting up a new email for Shift Capital, Purple Monkey Garage, and Kavana Rum. You should have received from myself a text message and or email with your new email address and password. You will also get a quick link that will redirect you to the appropriate page on Microsoft's website. That link is login.purplemonkeygarage.com. That's login.purplemonkeygarage.com. And it will present a web page with the Purple Monkey logo in the background. You enter your email, in this case, example at purplemonkeygarage.com. You can do this process on mobile. I, however, do recommend doing this from a desktop, whether that be Mac or Windows. It can be done from any web browser. It's just easier when you've got an actual keyboard. So you'll enter that temporary password. You will receive a text message for two-factor authentication. You will then enter your temporary password one last time, along with your new password. This password can be whatever you desire as a password. However, it must meet a minimum length requirement and complexity. Microsoft will flag it when it doesn't like it, and you also have to type the temporary passcode right, and in this case I did not. You can choose to stay signed in or not. If you already use another Microsoft account, depending on how you do your life, you can choose whether or not you want to have this be kind of your default account that you want to be signed into. In this case, I'm going to say yes, just for ease of use. And it's as simple as that. Your new email and password are set up. You can access via the web, just Outlook. You can also set it up in Outlook from the Office suite, your mobile phone, whether that be iOS or Android. The iOS app, you just go to your mail accounts and add there. Android, you can add it under Gmail if you desire. I will recommend, for ease of use, the Outlook app. Being same company does work better if you just use Outlook, but if you are more familiar with the Gmail app or iPhone's built-in mail account, you can use those. They just may not be quite as feature-rich as Outlook itself. Included with your account, you also do get a license of Office. So from here, you can choose to download your Office suite. You can download it onto 5 PCs. One other thing I would recommend while you are here is to set up your multi-factor authentication in a way that is a little easier to use than those text message codes. Those are kind of a basic security step, and they're a little clunky. They can be easily stolen through SIM jacking and other processes. So for yourself, what I would recommend is going in and typing in aka.ms/mfa setup. This will take you to the appropriate page for your account. And from here, you can choose to set up the Microsoft Authenticator app. This app goes on your mobile phone, so Android or iPhone. So we just hit Add Method, Authenticator app. Also, if you have another Authenticator app that you are using now, you can go ahead and choose to use that, whether that be a LastPass or Google Authenticator. Or there's so many different authenticator apps. You can just select this button here and set it up, and you will get the 6-digit code. But if you choose to use the Microsoft Authenticator app, you will have the ability to just approve a login. So You install the app on your phone from your favorite app store. From there, you will tell it that you are signing in with a work or school account, as it says here. You will hit next. It will bring up a QR code. From your device, you can just scan that QR code, and that will add the Authenticator app in details for you. Once you've scanned the barcode, you just hit next here. You will get an approve or deny. You can hit approve to approve your login. This has finished the setup on the phone. From there, you just go and change your default method to notification. That is one step that you have to do. And then from now on, whenever you go to sign in, you will receive an approve or disapprove notification on your mobile device. This generally makes people's lives a little easier because I understand multi-factor authentication can be a bit annoying, but in today's day and age where you have people trying to steal credentials all the time, whether that be for espionage or just simple trolling, there's plenty of people who do that. So it's a way of trying to make life a little easier while still keeping your account safe. Anyway, my name is Daniel Stark. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, feel free to reach out to me. My email is dstark@djstek.com. My phone number is 812-691-1627. I hope you have a wonderful afternoon. Goodbye.